It's already cold and we're not wet yet. Yeah, absolutely my first time.
No, your first ride today.
I did Mako earlier.
And you still have
See, it gives them the heads up.
Me? No.
Oh! Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. I'm not yelling you. Oh my god. Why did I agree to this?
I already came from Infinity Falls. So.
Oh, so you're soaked.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
You're better have fun.
I had so many people request this particular ride, and I'm starting to understand why. It's very pretty though. Oh, look, a shark. Is that the trick? It just pretends to be chill?
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, a big truck.
One or two?
I don't know.
I think there's two.
I think so too. There's a reason why there's a big line outside.
I'm gonna make sure I never do this again, just because I have a bad feeling in the pit of my stomach. Something ain't right. I mean, as long as it goes over my head, I'm fine. Can I? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I'm already getting a bad feeling. What is the Medusa? Oh, man, she's gone. Are we struggling to get up? It is possible that I'm that fat. Oh no. I already have a bad feeling about this. There's no way this could be it already. Right? Oh, okay. Yo, this is dry. What the hell? Why is the floor dry?
They forgot to add the water.
How is the boat moving if the floor is dry? Oh, I'm not liking it. Oh, shit. Okay. Sorry, I'm not yelling. You are. Ooh, what's that? Aquatica. The girls behind me are cracking up, man. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm terrified of these things. Ooh, okay. What is happening here? Okay, just a little.
And brace yourself for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill.
Oh shit, here we go. Oh shit, here we go. Here we go. Oh shit. Hey, what's up, dude? Oh no! Shit! Yo, I'm completely wet. Oh, some water was in my mouth too. That's not good. Run! Don't do it! No, you get completely soaked. You okay? Yeah. Oh, that is wrong. I got you two in it, by the way.
Yeah.
And y'all back there too. Oh, that was god up. Wait, why are we going back up?
Is there another one?
Oh,
I don't know. There's something right here.
the baby splash. Whee! 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 No! Ain't no way!
Why'd you say baby?
Ain't no way! That soaked us again. Yo, they are laughing back there.
What? Why did you go?
Let me see if I can dry this up a little bit. Oh, they're loving this. Your family is loving this. Let me guess, there's more, huh? That's why they told us to sit in the front.
That's why they like the back.
I don't even know if these glasses are water resistant. Oh well, we'll find out soon enough.
We'll find out.
Oh. Oh, this is just wrong. Yo, I am completely just showered. Ugh.
Yeah, this is enough drop.
Now there has to be another drop. It's air conditioned, it's cold.
Why is it so cold?
It's like freezing in here.
They want us to get sick.
Oh no! Oh shit! What the? A roller coaster! What do you mean a roller coaster? Oh shit! Shit! Oh! What the hell was that? What the hell was that? There was a roller coaster in this too? Dude, you were just having the time of your life. Alright, that's the end. Thank you. I'll see you next time.